Good morning, students. Welcome to this week's activities. Have a nice day. In this activity, we are going to check the use of the simple present third person. Okay, simple present. We are going to change the color because the color is not clear. Okay, simple present. Simple present, third person. Simple present, third person. Who is the third person in the simple present? The third person singular is he, she, and it. Okay, these are three versions of the third person. Okay, third person, he, she, and it. What happens with these people in simple present? Simple present expresses. What is simple present? Simple present expresses routines. Remember, routines. We're going to routines. What is a routine? For example, preferences, sports, daily activities. In routines, simple present expresses routines, hobbies. Okay, hobbies, habits, okay, habits, preferences, okay, likes, dislikes, permanent activities. Okay, in general, simple present expresses permanent activities. Okay, permanent activities, repetitive activities, permanent activities. Okay, example of permanent activities: I like football, I play basketball, I like hamburgers. Okay, those are. I go to school, I study at Gonzalo Arango, I live in Bogota. Those are permanent activities, and these permanent activities, like routines, hobbies, habits, preferences, are expressed in simple present. Okay, the structure of simple present. What is the structure of simple present? As you know, the structure of the sentences are verb, subject, verb, and predicate. But what happens with the verb in third person singular? The verb must be plus the S, the letter S. Okay, subject, the verb plus S, and predicate, verb plus S. Okay, in third person singular. Okay, examples. Here we have some examples. Look at this text. After breakfast, she brushes. Look at the S. Okay, brushes. Her teeth and packs, the verb with S. She goes, the verb with S. She has, third person singular, she has has the verb with S, sits the verb with S, okay, because the subject is third person singular, he or she or it, okay. Or for example, the name of the person, look at this, Gloria, the verb with S, helps, this is a routine. She sets, the verb plus S, okay. She tidies, S, okay. She usually reads, the verb with S, because this is simple present and this is a routine, okay. But look at the difference, look at this subject, we, okay. We is not third person singular, okay. We is not third person singular, this is not here in this group, okay. So that's why we chat, okay. Chat, the verb no S, okay. Can you see the difference? No S, because we is not third person singular. So we add the S to the third person singular in simple present, okay, the verb with S. Don't forget the S. Another example. Look at this. She goes, she has, gets with the S, okay. She goes, verb with S. She has, verb with S, because third person singular, okay. This is the third person singular, okay. Remember the third person singular, the third person singular, he, she, it, or singular names like, for example, Gloria, Carlos, the cat, the dog, in singular, okay. Another example, look at this. Reads, third person singular with S, okay. Third person singular with S, okay. Let's continue with this week's activities, okay. This week's activities includes this exercise on page 57 in your book, okay. This week's activities include page 58, activities 7, 8, and 9, okay. Page 58, activities number 7, 8, and 9. We are going to listen to activity 58, listening activity, okay, to do this exercise. So pay attention to the listening activity.
Track 46. 1. Elizabeth.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth. I'm a student. I usually get up at 6 a.m. because classes start at 7:30 a.m.
Gets up at 6 a.m. You are going to complete the table, okay? 6 a.m. Time 6 a.m. Okay. Let's write in the correct way, 6 a.m. Okay, we are going to listen in, you are going to complete the table, okay. The name of the activity, don't forget the S. Elizabeth gets, look at the S, okay, final S, don't forget the S. In the verb plus S, okay. verb plus S. Don't forget. Let's continue with the listening exercise.
First, I have a shower, brush my teeth, and get dressed. Then, at 7 a.m., I have breakfast with my brother. After breakfast, I pack my bag and walk to school with a friend. At 12 p.m., I have lunch at
12 p.m. The name of the activity? Have plus S, okay, at 12 p.m. Elizabeth, the verb is have, I have, but we are going to write in the third person singular. Elizabeth, okay, have plus S, third person singular, has, okay, has. So Elizabeth has lunch at 12 p.m. Okay, let's continue with the listening exercise.
at the school restaurant because school finishes at 3 p.m. In the afternoon, I have a nap, and later I play baseball at 6 p.m. In the evening,
At 6 p.m. What happens at 6 p.m.? Elizabeth plays basketball. Okay, plays basketball. Plays. Don't forget the S. Plays, and you are going to complete the table. Okay, plays, etc. Okay, let's finish the listening exercise, and you are going to complete the table. Okay, complete the table with the activities and the time.
I return home to do homework and chat with my parents.
2. Oscar.
Hi, I'm Oscar. I'm a teacher. I usually get up very early because I have classes at 7:30 a.m. Before work, I have a shower, brush my teeth, and watch the news. I don't have breakfast at home. I go to work at 7:15.
Okay, which activity here? Complete the activity at 7:15 a.m. Okay,
a.m. At school I teach art. I usually have classes until 12 p.m. and then I go home and have lunch. I often watch the news again at 12:30 p.m. when I get home. In the afternoon, I have a group of students at the school art club. We have lots of fun making things. At 6:30, I return home to see my family.
3. Alejandro.
Hi, I'm Alejandro. I go to school in the afternoon. We start at midday. I usually get up at 5 a.m. and go running for 45 minutes. After that, I relax and have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. And later I check emails. At 11:45 a.m. I go to school with some friends. School finishes at 6:30 p.m. I return home by bus. Before dinner, I chat with my parents about school. I usually read a book for 1 hour. It's my favourite time. I always go to bed at 10:15 p.m. because I get up very early.
Okay, this was the listening exercise. Okay, now we are going to continue with the activities for this week. Okay, so next activity, this is vocabulary practice. Okay, in this exercise you are going to match the verbs in this part with the phrases in this part. Okay, the example: A4, A4, watch the news. Okay, you are going to match the verb with a phrase, okay, in this part. Next exercise, exercise number 9. In your notebook or here, no problem, complete the sentences with the phrases from exercise 8. So, these activities, you are going to complete using these expressions in exercise number 9. Okay? For example, before school, he, with books, a calculator, and his pencil case. I'm going to help you with the first. Before school, he pack This is third person singular, don't forget the S. He packs with books, calculator, and his pencil case. Okay? This is the activity for this week. Questions in classroom. Have a nice week. See you next class. Bye bye.